Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will provide you a brief overview about the history of classical music. First, what is classical music? Classical music is a broad term that encompasses a wide range of musical styles from 17th to the early 20th centuries and characterized by its emphasis on melody, harmony, and counterpoint. The major period of classical music, which are the Renaissance, Baroque, Classical, Romantic, and 20th century periods. The Baroque period was a time of great innovation and creativity in music. Some of the most important composers were Bach, Handel, and Vivaldi. These composers developed new musical techniques and styles such as counterpoint, complex rhythm and harmonies, and grand and ornate ornamentation. The classical period was a time of refinement and balance in music. The composers of this period, such as Mozart, Beethoven, and Haydn, developed a new style of music that was characterized by simplicity, balance, clear melodies and harmonies, and a focus on form. The Romantic period was a time of great emotion and passion in music. The composers of this period, such as Chopin, Schubert, and Tchaikovsky, used music to express a wide range of emotion such as love, sadness, joy, and anger. They also developed program music and made greater use of instruments to create more expressive and dramatic sound. The 20th century was a time of great experimentation and innovation in music. The composers of this period, such as Stravinsky, Bartók, and Schoenberg, developed new styles and genres such as atonal music, serial music, and electronic music. They also made use of new technology such as phonograph and tape recorder to create new sounds and textures. So, what is the conclusion? Classical music is a rich and diverse tradition that has evolved over centuries and a vital part of our cultural heritage and continue to inspire and move people all over the world. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel.